Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create social media graphics using AI. So let's get started the video. To create social media graphics, we are going to use Google Gemini. Open Gemini on your computer or phone, then sign into your account. Once you are on the home screen, click the message box. Now tell Gemini what type of graphics you want to create. You can include details such as the platform, if you want this for Instagram, Facebook or LinkedIn, then the topic, colors or style, and text image size. For example, let's go with this. Click on the plus icon and select Create Image. Then click the Send button. Gemini will generate your social media graphics in a few seconds. If you are not satisfied with the first version, simply ask for changes. For example, you can make this more colorful or use a minimal design and more modern elements. You can continue the improving by changing the background or replacing the colors and icons. Once you are happy with the design, open the image and click on the download option. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.